Okay, so in this video I will show you how to recover a deleted partition. Uh, like if you have a partition that you have by mistake deleted, like while installing Windows or while doing something else. I don't know what you did, but somehow you have a deleted partition which has no which you plugged in. Like it does not show here. It does not show here. It's deleted. So for example, let's show you, this is the partition that I'm going to delete. This is my USB drive. So I'll delete it, then I'll show you how to recover it. So we will go to disk management to delete it. Okay, let's locate it. This is the partition. Let's delete it first. Okay, so it's deleted now. It's saying unallocated. So if your drive is also saying unallocated and you have not written anything to the drive, that's important, because when you delete a drive, so it's the data is not gone. The data is there, but when you write something to that disk, like when you copy files again on that drive, then the data start to go away, you can say, in a way, like it's being overwritten, means new data is being written on old sectors where your old data was. So that's how it works. So saying unallocated. Okay, now I have not done anything to my drive, so now it's very easy to cover. So I'm going to use this AOMEI partition assistant. I will use this. Click on recover. We want to recover partition, so I'm going to choose this. Then we'll select the drive, which is this, and this cruiser blade, which is the name of my drive. Hit next. It's saying unallocated. uh, fast search is okay because we have not done anything to that drive, so it's very easily it will recognize the partition. If your drive had a lot of partition, like different names with like a proper it was Windows drive, like it has multiple partitions, then you can try fast search, then later you can try full search. Okay, so now as you can see, it has detected. Here you can as you can see, it's detected partitions. Okay, so I'm gonna tick on that partition. I've selected that partition by clicking it here, then proceed. Done. As you can see, it's recovered because the files were not gone. Files were not deleted in a way, like the address was deleted. The address to access, that was deleted. Files were not deleted. Whenever you, even when you format a drive, the files are not deleted. The files are there, but the address is gone. You can't go to like some folder and then you access your file, because that address, all are there, those files are all scattered now in the drive in some sector. So that's how you can do that. It's back to healthy basic data partition F32 format. It's not showing unallocated anymore. So that's how you can uh, do that if by mistake you have deleted your partition while installing Windows, because I have done that once. I had deleted a partition of mine and I have recovered it by using this method that I've showed you.